For years, James Webb has felt like the final word in space telescopes. Bigger mirror, deeper vision, images from the dawn of the universe. It gave humanity the sense that we had finally built the ultimate eye in space. But now NASA is preparing something that changes the game in a completely different way. Not by looking deeper at one tiny patch of sky, but by moving so wide and so fast that it can measure the shape of the universe itself. This new telescope is not here to replace Webb. It is here to expose everything Webb was never built to chase. The invisible mass holding galaxies together, the force pushing the universe apart, and the hidden 95% of reality we still cannot explain. Once it launches, astronomy may stop asking what one galaxy looks like and start asking what all of them are doing at once. On paper, NASA's new observatory does not look like the obvious successor to James Webb. Its mirror is 2.4 meters wide, about the same class as Hubble and much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. If you judge telescopes only by mirror size, this might seem like a step backward. But that is exactly the trap. The real strength of this telescope is not its ability to look deeper. It is its ability to look wider. It carries something Webb does not, a field of view nearly 100 times larger. A single image can capture an enormous region of the sky that would require roughly 100 separate observations by Webb. Think of Webb as a microscope. Roman is a panoramic camera for the universe. Webb can reveal one galaxy in extraordinary detail, while Roman can observe billions of galaxies spread across space and time. That difference is far more important than it first appears because the greatest mysteries of cosmology cannot be solved one object at a time. If scientists want to understand dark matter, dark energy, and the largest structures in the universe, they need enormous statistical samples. They need surveys covering vast regions of space. That is exactly what Roman was built to do. It is not trying to outperform Webb. It is performing a completely different job. Here is why this mission matters so much. Everything humans have ever seen, touched, built, or measured makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, two invisible components that dominate the cosmos while remaining among the greatest mysteries in modern physics. Dark matter reveals itself because galaxies rotate much faster than visible matter alone can explain. Stars at the outer edges should fly away into space, but they remain gravitationally bound. Something invisible is providing the additional gravity. Dark energy is even stranger. It appears to be driving the accelerated expansion of the universe itself, pushing galaxies farther apart at an ever-increasing rate. Scientists know these phenomena exist because their effects can be measured, but no one truly knows what they are made of. That is where Roman becomes one of NASA's most ambitious scientific instruments. It was designed specifically to measure these invisible forces through their effects on light and the large-scale structure of the universe. Roman is not simply another telescope built to capture beautiful images. It is a machine created to map the invisible by observing how it changes everything we can see. Its most powerful tool is gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, mass bends spacetime, and light follows those curves. Even though dark matter cannot be seen directly, its gravity still bends the light coming from galaxies behind it. As a result, distant galaxies appear slightly stretched, distorted, or aligned in ways that should not happen if no hidden mass existed. With only a small number of galaxies, scientists obtain hints. With billions of galaxies, they obtain a map. Roman is expected to study roughly 2 billion galaxies. That is an enormous leap compared with previous surveys that examined only tens of millions. For the first time, astronomers will be able to create massive three-dimensional maps showing how dark matter is distributed across enormous regions of the universe. At the same time, Roman will trace the expansion history of the universe across nearly 10 billion years using distant supernovae and the large-scale arrangement of galaxies. These observations will allow scientists to test one of the biggest questions in cosmology. Does dark energy behave exactly as Einstein's cosmological constant predicts? Or is something far stranger hiding beneath the surface of modern physics? If the measurements disagree with current theories, Roman could point toward entirely new laws governing the universe. That possibility alone makes this mission one of the most anticipated astronomical projects of the. As groundbreaking as Roman's Dark Universe mission will be, it is only one part of the story. The telescope will also monitor around 100 million stars in the center of our galaxy, constantly searching for tiny changes in brightness caused by gravitational microlensing. These brief brightening events occur when a foreground object bends the light from a more distant background star. If that foreground object contains a planet, the planet produces its own distinctive signal. This technique allows astronomers to discover planets that traditional transit missions like Kepler and TESS often miss, especially colder planets orbiting farther from their stars, worlds that resemble the outer regions of our own solar system. Roman is expected to discover thousands of these planets, giving scientists a much clearer understanding of how common solar systems like ours may actually be. Yet experienced astronomers know something even more exciting. The greatest discoveries are often the ones no telescope was originally designed to make. Hubble surprised us. James Webb surprised us. Roman almost certainly will as well. Once an observatory begins surveying the sky at this scale, with this level of detail and speed, unexpected discoveries become almost inevitable. New types of cosmic explosions. Strange gravitational lensing events. Previously unknown classes of astronomical objects. Signals and phenomena that scientists have not even imagined yet. Roman's official mission is to study the invisible universe. Its unofficial mission is to surprise everyone. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of Roman is not simply that it can survey 100 times more sky than Webb in the same amount of time. It is what that capability means for astronomy itself. For generations, major discoveries came from studying one target at a time. Roman represents a completely different era. Instead of focusing on isolated objects, it transforms the entire sky into a massive scientific dataset where hidden patterns finally become visible. Consider the numbers. 2 billion galaxies for dark energy research. 100 million stars for exoplanet hunting. No previous space telescope has combined this level of coverage, resolution, and observing cadence. At this scale, the universe begins to look less like a collection of isolated objects and more like a measurable system governed by underlying patterns. Roman is not simply showing us more objects. It is revealing whether the universe follows statistical structures that previous surveys were simply too small to detect. That is why this telescope places extraordinary pressure on our current understanding of cosmology. Either dark matter's fingerprints appear clearly across the universe, or something fundamental in our theories is missing. Either dark energy behaves consistently over billions of years, or modern physics may require a major revision. Roman is not broadening astronomy. It is demanding clearer answers from the universe itself. One of the biggest misconceptions is that Roman and James Webb are competitors. They are not. They are partners. Webb is the close-up specialist, capable of examining individual galaxies, stars, and planets with extraordinary detail. Roman is the cosmic scout, searching vast regions of space to identify where the most important discoveries are waiting. Roman finds unusual gravitational lenses, rare supernovae, strange galaxy structures, unexpected planetary systems, and regions where dark matter leaves especially strong signatures. Then Webb can point its enormous mirror toward those targets and investigate them in unprecedented detail. Roman finds the secrets. Webb reads them. That partnership may become one of the most powerful scientific combinations ever created. Webb has already shown us what extraordinary individual objects look like. Roman is about to reveal where those extraordinary objects exist, how common they are, and how they fit into the larger structure of the universe. Together, these observatories allow humanity to understand both the forest and the trees. In the end, NASA's new telescope is not simply a faster version of James Webb. It represents an entirely different approach to exploring the cosmos. Webb looks deep. Roman looks wide. Webb studies remarkable individual objects. Roman studies billions of them simultaneously. That shift in perspective may transform cosmology more profoundly than almost any previous observatory. Roman was built to investigate the 95% of reality that remains invisible, the dark matter binding galaxies together and the dark energy driving cosmic expansion. With observations of 2 billion galaxies, 100 million stars, and surveys vast enough to uncover patterns never before seen, Roman is not merely collecting more data. It is forcing the universe to reveal its deepest secrets. And perhaps the most exciting part is that Roman will never work alone. It will identify large-scale structures, strange cosmic events, hidden distortions, and unexpected anomalies. Then James Webb will zoom in to examine those discoveries with breathtaking precision. One maps the city. The other opens the doors. This is not simply the launch of another telescope. It marks the beginning of a new era in astronomy, an era in which humanity may finally begin measuring, rather than merely guessing, the invisible forces that govern almost everything in existence. If this changed the way you see the universe, subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay with us. Because when Roman begins its mission, we may finally start seeing the hidden side of reality that has